Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix PDFsam Basic not opening in 2026. Let's get started. First, open PDFsam Basic on your computer. If the application opens successfully, you'll see the main tools on the home screen, including merge, split by bookmark, split by size, extract, alternate mix, insert, and rotate. If you couldn't open PDFsam Basic before but you can see these tools now, it means the application is working correctly. To make sure everything is working, click Merge. Click Add, choose any PDF file, then confirm that the file loads without any errors. Next, return to the home screen and open Split or Extract to check that those tools also open normally. If every tool opens without any problems, the issue has been fixed and PDFsam Basic is ready to use. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.